welcome back to our next video with me, Chosen Petty, in the kitchen. Guys, today, look here, guys. Look at the excitement. Today is Good Friday, and it's also Family Friday for us. And right now, guys, I'm running back of my house. We call it backyard style. So, guys, me not do my fish inside. Me I do my fish outside. So, guys, look here. My husband went and he got, guys, me never bother go up on the road. So, me never bother blackfish on now. We went and we get some sprat. We went and get some of this. God, guys, you know me love my fish head. Me can't, I'm a bomb me. And the good old Jamaican country pepper. Guys, may I tell you, wood fire today. Who remember the wood fire style? Remember the wood fire style? Yes, guys, we'll bring it back to you today. Okay? So, guys, here is my little bar side, guys, with my juice, guys, with a little beer, with a little jug, you know, guys, and a biscuit for the kids, juice for the kids. I will look a cup right here. Guys, you know this is my husband, Chris.
Hi.
Chris, say hi to the people.
Hi guys.
Hi to the people, Chris. Guys, these are my grandkids. Yes, guys, we might look so, but are the grandkids them, yeah. Daniela, this is Matthew. This is Catalia, guys. Okay. And guys, as you can see, as me say, it's a back door style. This is my banana tree. My banana tree, guys. Okay. My planting tree, guys. And guys, this is Miss Joan. Miss Joan, what you say hi to the camera?
Yeah, hi guys. Hi Auntie Dana. Big up yourself, Auntie Dana. Miss Paula, big up. This is Miss Joan. Yeah, with daughter Petty.
So guys, as I say, guys, just tune in. And guys, you will see exactly what we're doing today. Guys, let us have fun together. Okay, guys? So, guys, as we said it before, is wood we are doing today. So, guys, you know my husband, he might chop the wood. We catch up the wood fire. So, guys, if you can remember, oh, we Jamaican abroad, you know how to chop up wood and do a thing? Yeah, yeah. So guys, as I said before, we are doing the wood fire for our fry fish, okay? So guys, you know, remember guys, we're not a cursing aisle. So look how we'll catch you without cursing aisle. The real countryman this, you know. Real countryman style this. Look at these peeps, look here. I'm telling you, real country style, you know, real Jamaican style. I mean, town style, whatever you want to call it. Okay?
Anything will do.
Anything will do. Yes, Miss Joan, anything will do. Guys, I'm a cat. You see him, guys? And the fish in my full run right aside now, but me and him today with my fish. Look at him. You see him over there? So guys, I only hope you enjoy this video, okay? It's as I enjoy doing it for you, yes.
Big up yourself, Auntie Dana. Yeah. Miss Paula, big up yourself. Hello,
Yes, guys, I have a piece of Trelawney yam in the fire roast. I tell you, it's all about the fun today. So, enjoy. Guys, you know me I have to wash my things then. In a kitchen or out a kitchen, I will say wash up. I've already washed my fish because you know me I have to wash my things and everything I do my wash. Whether I'm inside or outside, so guys, we're going to put on just black pepper and salt. So I'm going to put on my black pepper and salt on my fish that I'm going to fry. And this is sprat fish, guys. This is sprat fish. Yes, a good sprat fish. You know when you eat the first, you all the tail you eat, everything. Not there so for throw it, guys. Okay? So this is how I am seasoning up my fish. Okay? This is how I'm seasoning up my fish, guys. And over this side, guys, I have some other fish over this side too. So, so it's all about the fish today. Okay. So I'll be back, guys. Ready? Yes. Come on, what you're saying, okay? Yes, Miss Duran. Yes, Miss Duran, turning up the yam. Yes, peeps. Okay.
Good.
Fish. Yeah, my husband, that's him.
Look the fire side, so.
Real country style, man, you have Pistonia. And Miss John over there.
Do they need them? They need them up in the business.
Yes, the deal, but she's there, the deal.
Yeah, wrap the knee, man.
Fish, guys, the yam. It's a festive time, guys. The family day.
Auntie Dana, big up.
Throwing some oil in the pot to fry our fish. Okay. In the meantime, we are going to roast over this, so.
Yeah, man, it has soak.
Right, Miss Joanne?
No, big fire
Yes, Miss
again.
Joanne, man, it's burger, Miss Joanne. So you want a piece of antawil?
Right at the side. So.
Yes. Yes, Miss Joanne, I can't want nothing to burn you up, you know.
True, man.
Yes, so.
I'm not burn up Auntie
Real
Dana,
country
girl.
style.
Yes.
Boy.
Yes. That's it.
Good. One soak yam.
Yes. So we're oil in our pot for our fish. And enough, you see? Enough.
The cat.
Even enough.
He want fish.
Come on. Can't wait to start the hipster yam there.
Everything is everything, Auntie Dana. Fish and roast yam and
She don't left out
whatever,
her Auntie Dana,
whatever.
peeps.
Big up yourself, Auntie Dana. Respect to you, my sister. Blessed
Right.
love to
Auntie
you.
Dana, big up yourself.
Love you.
Real big woman, you know.
Love you. Really go so.
And out of a million.
Sister
Yes.
Dana, who God bless, no man curse. You're a blessed woman.
Alright.
Big up yourself, Auntie Dana.
Alright.
And Miss Paula.
Yes. Pop. Pop. Yes, guys. Some pepper and a piece of garlic, and I'm gonna add first, guys. I'm gonna add my sprat. Okay. Look at that. Good old sprat. Right, Miss Joanne?
Yes,
Good old sprat, Miss Joanne. Good old sprat, Miss Joanne. Good old sprat, Miss Joanne. Yeah, guys. You put that small part there. Can one of the board and the something come?
Yeah, big one. So I remember say fire.
If you put on that small part, then I can. Yes, guys. So here I turn my sprat fish. This is how it looks. So guys, you have to make it fried crisp, you know. Because when you eat eye head, everything you eat, bone, seal, everything. Yes, guys, have a good old yam over there, sir. Yes, guys. And up that side, Miss Joanne up there. So guys, I'm looking about the Miss Joanne up that side, they're looking about the carrot.
When the carrot.
Miss Joanne, what you doing there?
Oh, carrot, onion, pepper. I'm cutting up
So put on the fish.
to put on the fish. Yes.
So guys, this is how we do our roast yam. We're scraping it, guys. We don't peel it, we're scraping. Guys, it's fried fish. I've fried. We have fried our fried fish, guys. So we'll start with the other fish right now. There's that, my people. And over that side, Miss Joanne over there doing our carrot, your onion.
Yes, guys, I'm just helping my daughter for the day. And by later, I'm going back to my house. This is my daughter's house. I'm just helping her to cut up her carrot, pepper, onion. She's doing her fish and her roast yam over there. Miss Donna, I love you. Big up yourself every time. Don't hurt, girl. You're large, you're big. Jesus love you, love you. Love you, auntie. Big up yourself, Miss Paula. Love you too. God bless.
So yes, guys, this is the next section of the festive day. The kids in the pool. Yes, guys. This is our home pool, and the kids enjoying themselves. Guys, next time you will see me in the pool because me have fried fish today. Next time, so you have my daughter there, my baby, and my grandkids. Okay. Say hi, Matty, to the camera. Say hi, Daniela. Say hi, Leah. Hi, Crystal. So guys, all you enjoying our fun day so far, okay? Yes guys, so I'm gonna add in my bami now. My bami. Okay. Bami time, guys, over this side, and see the fish here, guys. Look at this. See the fish here. Fish time over this side.
Onion
And the
pepper.
onion and the pepper over this side. Yes. Some bami fry. Okay.
Roast and the beside of
Yum. Roast and the beside it's soaking for keep warm. Cause you know want warm yam around here, guys. Okay. Enjoy. Yeah, so your mother do the bami now and grandmother.
Grandmother, my mother.
Yes.
When me was in the country.
Yes.
And me see them do bami, it was so nice.
Yes.
Them peel the bami, it no peel like how you peel yam.
Yes.
You go around it like you strip off egg.
Okay.
Like you're stripping off egg.
Oh.
And then you just strip off nice.
No, Miss John, it's not that way.
Okay, so all
John,
you have
like,
is...
you peel it, I can peel it iron. Does that how you peel it iron and
You go around it. Go around it.
Oh.
It coming like even like when you're stripping off egg.
Oh.
Yes.
So meantime, when you strip it, yeah,
Oh.
Right.
cassava, see how
Right.
Oh,
And
okay.
then when you're done peel it off now and grate it. No blend, you know, you use the grater. And you grate it, and when you grate it, you pour water into it.
Oh,
And you do it just like you're straining coconut.
okay.
You only you squeeze it up, and when you squeeze it up, now you get a clean piece of white
cloth.
cloth.
I have my baby nappy.
Oh.
Yes,
That's
clean.
my
It's a
grandmother.
something.
Baby.
But my grandmother always used one flour bag, one white flour bag, and my mother.
Oh.
Yes, the white flour bag, and then wash it and pin it on the line, white and pretty. So I then put it in and them wrap it and squeeze it. Squeeze it, it come out like when you're done squeeze out the water in the basin, it come out like it round.
Oh.
And then put on that one side and then take up some more, and then sometimes then get even a dozen or more.
Oh.
Yep, and so on. And then now them not throw away the water, then put it down, make it settle for your time.
Oh.
And after it settle, the starch there at the bottom of the water.
Oh.
And then just throw off the water.
Oh.
Throw off the water and leave the bottom. It's set, you know. It's set.
Okay.
Understand? Yeah, the water, you left it, and then it's set and it's settled. So you just throw up the water, and the whole of the white
Starch.
part, the bottom, you call that the starch.
Gosh. Okay.
And you leave it there, and when you leave it there now, put it in the sun and you take time, it dry, you scrape it out. You put it on your zinc or whatever and make it dry, you get that starch.
Oh.
And then the bami them now, the round one now, where we call the bami, where we get from that. And so them do it, sometimes them just, my grandmother always grate a coconut. Because she not bake it same time. Sometimes them put
And now
them
come to
put
Miss
it
John, the starch, it use it and press it close, you know.
Yes, the starch.
and turn up
You
your clothes.
put it, make it dry.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put the starch. Put a little vinegar. Give me the seasoning.
Seasoning time.
Wow. Put in the seasoning. Okay. A little vinegar.
Yes, guys.
Yeah. Stir it up.
Stir it up, Miss John.
Yeah, man.
Okay, look at this, guys.
Yeah.
Right. Cover it here. Stir it up properly.
Stir it up. You see the spoon here, Miss John?
Wait, hold on a little bit. Me cut this.
Let me cut. Well, for you.
Roll it.
Okay.
Right. Give it a little cover.
Yes, you guys finish up time with the yam now.
Pass it at the cover.
Oh, that's it, Brook.
Roast yam. See me? Nice, no? Make it with saltfish, salt mackerel, butter.
Even the fish.
You know? If I maybe with salt. All the
You
fish
don't
are
get the small pot cover.
Wow, bami. Bami and the fish. Wow.
right.
Sorry. For my foot. Wow, this is the bami, guys. Bami and the fish. Wow. Beautiful. It takes time to do, you know.
It takes time.
But
But
properly.
you have to do it properly
Yes.
because we're eating it.
Right. This is a little ingredients, so I go on the fish. See? Good. See the yam there? Yam.
Real Chilana yam here.
Roast yam. Wow. Good to go. What's up?
Mama, you want to
Guys, me can't wait to look at them. Look at them. Guys, we took it in a little milk, even though we don't show you, but a little milk and a little salt.
Mama, use it. Bun on it. Fella, you have knife?
Well,
Boy, me have to start it before me done. Good to go. This is wash, yum. Yeah. Ready now. The fish them here now.
come, baby.
Wow. This is it. This is it.
I say, yeah, Mommy, this is it. This is it.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for your grace. Mercy.
Vegetable.
Wow. Okay. Ready to go. We're ready to eat. We're ready to go yum, you know. Beautiful. Yes. Well properly done. It is well properly done. And these are the bami. This is the yam. Roast yam.
Okay.
Okay. This is the
So guys, all hope you enjoyed this video so far, guys. And we're at the end of our video where we have our fried fish here, we have our yam here, we have our bami here, guys. Okay, so guys, thank you. I really truly thank you for joining me on this journey, backyard style. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please to like up the video, guys. Please to share it, guys. Subscribe to my video, guys. Okay, so guys, have a great one. Bye. Yes, Miss Joan.
yes. Yes, Miss Petty.
Okay. All right, so bye, guys. Guys, me gonna eat.
Every time we have done this, come, Joan lift it up.